10 Surprising Benefits of Fennel Oil. The essential oil of fennel may be obtained through the steam distillation of crushed fennel seeds, an herb that bears the scientific name of Feniculum vulgar. Fennel seeds may have been in use in culinary applications and as a mouth freshener since ancient times. They might also be widely used for medicinal purposes. These medicinal properties may come from the various components of the essential oil of fennel, including alpha-pinene, anisic aldehyde, cineole, fenchone, limonene, myrcene, methyl chavicol, and transanethol. May heal wounds. Wounds are shielded from decaying by fennel oil. Incisions that have undergone operations, cesarean deliveries, or other more serious wounds may benefit from its use in preventing infection and tetanus. May relieve spasms. Fennel essential oil may have a relaxing effect on nerves, muscles, intestines, and the respiratory system. And it might pacify spasmodic attacks, giving quick relief for the previously mentioned situations. May smoothen bowel movements. Aperitif might have purgative-like properties, but with a weaker effect. Instead of expanding the size of the intestine, an aperitif may have a greater impact on the intestinal peristaltic action. May act as a carminative. As a carminative, fennel oil may cause intestinal gases to escape, and can provide a great deal of relief from conditions including indigestion, restlessness, pain in the chest, stomach, and abdomen. May kill worms. Perhaps fennel oil works well to kill worms. In the intestines and excretory systems, it might kill the worms and their spores. May act as a laxative. Fennel oil might be a good laxative and may benefit in both chronic and acute constipation. May act as a stimulant. Fennel oil may act as an emmenagogue, galactagogue, and diuretic due to a single property, which is its stimulating quality. Being a stimulant, it may promote all the activities going on inside the body. It might stimulate the brain and neural activity, nervous system, secretions from endocrine and exocrine glands, including the secretion of milk, sebum, sweat, tears, urine, and discharges during menses, digestive system, and excretory system. This stimulating effect may also help overcome. May keep stomach healthy. Fennel oil might help keep the stomach healthy and functioning properly and may maintain the normal function of all the secretions of digestive acids and bile. Furthermore, it may also protect the stomach from infections and ulcers, thus ensuring the all-around health and wellness of the stomach. May have a tonic effect. This refers to a substance that enhances and tones health. The respiratory, digestive, nervous, and excretory systems, as well as the nervous and excretory systems, may all be toned by fennel oil, which may also aid in the body's absorption of nutrients. May fight chronic cough. The deposition of mucus and phlegm causes congestion of the nasal passages, larynx, pharynx, bronchi, and lungs as a result of colds and viral infections may have been successfully treated with fennel oil.